Hello everyone, my name is KRISHNA. I am from Kadapa district, which is located in Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation in the year of 2021 with a stream of BCom Computer Applications from Sri Srinivasa Degree College. I joined JSpiders in the month of July 14th, 2022. Now I got selected from A to Z company with a package of 2.4 LPA. I heartfully thanks to Pooja ma'am and Rahul sir, Akshay sir and Anupama ma'am, Salman sir, Uma Shankar sir. They only teach Java and SQL and web technologies. Again, after attending the classes, I gained a lot of knowledge about the Java and SQL and web technologies. It is very helpful to crack my interview. Presentations and grooming classes also very helpful to me crack the interview. And my special thanks to Pradeep sir and Shivu sir, which have give confidence to me to crack the interview. And also thanks to each and every faculties and HRs from JSpiders Hebbal